Today we have Nicole Winhofer, who's a professional dancer and personal trainer to Madonna. She's gonna take us through an awesome workout that requires just a towel, so get ready to sweat. So Nicole, what makes a towel such a unique piece of fitness equipment?
There are over 300 ways that you can use the towel to scope every muscle in the body. So we're targeting every single muscle in the arms, the abs, really defining those legs. And I'm going to teach you and take you through some steps to show you exactly how to do it. Every time you grip that towel, you want to make sure that towel is pulled apart.
Got it.
We want to create our own resistance, and that ignites the lats and gets rid of all that flab behind the tricep.
Love it.
Right, so we're gonna pull it apart. You're gonna bring it up overhead. This is your starting position. And then you're gonna drop and press. Keep pulling that towel apart. Perfect. Drop and press, drop and press. Now we can even pulse and plie and a pulse. There you go. And a pulse, plie and a pulse, plie. Let's twist at the torso. Good. Twist. Two more twists. And other side, and a twist, and a plie, and a twist. Good, two more, twist, keep pulling that towel apart, twist, good. That was perfect.
Wow, that is a great burn. Good first move, Nicole.
So the second move, we're gonna switch our grip
Okay.
and take the towel behind our backs. So the palms now are down, so it looks like this from behind.
Okay.
Again, pulling that towel apart, we're gonna take a flat back, keep those abs engaged, and we're gonna lift away from the butt. Keep a slight bend in those knees, and we lift and pulse. So right now we're working our triceps, our upper triceps. You're keeping those lower abs engaged.
Oh yeah.
And we're getting rid of the back fat behind our arms. Twist to the left, 4 and 3, good, and 2. Now watch this move. I'm gonna open my right shoulder to the back. So we're angling, perfect, and a lift. Woo. Good, this move is really great because we're targeting each rotation around that arm.
Excellent, that little lift really does isolate that shoulder a lot more.
So I'm gonna take you through some of the full body movements that incorporate the lower abs and the legs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 towels now and make sure they're folded into perfect squares.
All right.
We're gonna place it on the slick surface, which is our wood floor, and the balls of the feet go on top. Okay, first move, you're gonna place your hands down on the ground. You're gonna drive one leg back straight, and then you're gonna switch. Perfect, 4 and 3 and 2, come into squat.
Ooh, feeling those abs. Oh yeah, and legs.
It's an ab shredder.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now we're gonna do that same move, taking the knee turned out, so it targets the inner thigh and those obliques. So let's try driving that left leg back to the corner, right leg out. Perfect. Get rid of the flab on our legs. 2 more, 2 and 1. Good girl.
All right.
Let's go through our last move. It's one of my favorites. It's called the side splits. So really, really challenging. So you're gonna put your right hand on the ground. You're gonna take your knees over to the diagonal, and then you're gonna shoot that right leg out to a split, and then come back in. Good, let's do 4. Yeah. Ready?
Killer.
Here we go, and a 5, 6, 7, reach out, and in, perfect, and out, and in, 2 more, and out, and in, last one, and out, and in.
Wow, that's like a dance move, strength move, everything all together.
And it kills that whole entire side. It's amazing.
Nicole, thank you so much. These are great exercises, just using a towel.
Yes, thank you so much. And I hope that everybody at home gets a chance to try the Slippery When Wet DVD from Hard Candy Fitness, Addicted to Sweat.
Awesome.
Thank you guys.
Thanks guys. See you next time on Fit Sugar TV.